हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज हम 2021 का जो है फिजिक्स का पेपर था इसको सॉल्व करेंगे। तो इसके हम है ना 150 क्वेश्चन होंगे, तो 50-50 में पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 पार्ट 3 करके मैं डाल दूंगा, ठीक है। ये देखते हैं पहले, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज नॉट लोकेटेड इन द कंटिनेंट ऑफ अफ्रीका। गेबो अफ्रीका में है, गुयाना ये साउथ अमेरिकन कंट्री है, ठीक है। गुयाना हो गया। लॉन्गेस्ट सरफेस माउंटेन रेंज इन द वर्ल्ड इज एंडीज माउंटेन, ओके। एंडीज माउंटेन जो कि साउथ अमेरिका है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक इसके वेस्ट कोस्ट में सबसे लंबी एक माउंटेन रेंज है। इसकी जो हाइस्ट हाइस्ट समिट है वो है 6,900 मीटर, ओके। और ये है एकेनकोंगुआ, कनकोगुआ, ओके। एल्स माउंटेन, एल्स माउंटेन रेंज is in Europe. Himalayan mountain range, Himalaya, the northern India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Rocky Mountain, USA. Which of the following hills are present where Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meet? Eastern Ghats, this Western Ghats, तो ये मिलते हैं नीलगिरी हिल्स में. Which of the following oceanic current does not flow north at Atlantic Ocean? That is Benguela. Benguela current ये बहती है, ओके। ये इधर आप अफ्रीका तो यहाँ पे ये बेंगुला करंट बहती है, ठीक है। तो ये साउथ अटलांटिक ओशन की है, ठीक है, नॉट नॉर्थ अटलांटिक। द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट आइलैंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, गल्फ स्ट्रीम, नॉर्थन Atlantic, okay. Norwegian also, Florida. The second largest island in the world, that is New Guinea. Second, first is Greenland, okay. And third one is Borneo. Fourth one is Madagascar. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Phone, Alps Mountains, absolutely correct. Bora, Siberia, that is not correct. Bora flows in Adriatic Sea. Adriatic Sea, okay. Where is location? Location is in European country, Italy, okay. Italy and Adriatic Sea, okay. Mistral, Rhone Valley, this is also okay. Comes in Egypt, okay. Which one of the following rivers is the second longest river in the world? Second longest. First one is Nile River. Second one Amazon. Third Yangtze. Fourth Missouri. Okay, USA, China, Brazil, Africa. Okay. Victoria जलप्रपात, Victoria Fall, सीमा पड़ता है Amazon, Amazon forest. Okay. Mississippi, Missouri, USA, into the Pacific. Yangtze to the East China Sea. Which of the following is not an example of metamorphic rock? Metamorphic rock, dolomite is sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock. Gneiss, metamorphic. Marble also metamorphic. Quartzite also metamorphic. रूपांतरित सेल भी कहा जाता है, ठीक है, अवसादी सेल. और igneous. Which plateau lies between the Aravalli and the Vindhya? That is Malwa. Okay. Not Chota Nagpur, Deccan not, Bundelkhand not. Bowl of sugar. That is Cuba. Out of the following river, which is not tributary of river Satluj? Baspa right, Spiti right, Vyas also, Ravi. Okay. Vyas meets at Harike. Harike Vairaj. Okay. Ravi is not tributary of river Satluj. Who made the following statement? Vegetation is the true index of climate. That is the statement of Köppen. Köppen divided whole India in many groups like northern plains, western ghats, AMW, and northern plains में भी भूल रहा हूँ, सॉरी क्या है, तो अभी आएगा शायद, ये क्वेश्चन है इसमें आगे, तो इसको क्लियर करें. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ईयर इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन होमोस्फेयर? होमोस्फेयर 0 to 90 किलोमीटर का एक रेंज है, जिसमें सबसे नीचे क्या होता है? ट्रोपोस्फेयर, फिर स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर, फिर ट्रोपोस्फेयर, स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर एंड देन मेजोस्फेयर. नो यस, मेजोस्फेयर, ओके. So what will be the answer of it? Ionosphere. Okay. Ionosphere is out of 90 kilometer range. Okay. इसके बाद है कोडरमा इज फेमस फॉर विच मिनरल? कोडरमा, कोडरमा फेमस है आपको मीका के लिए, ठीक है. पिट्सबर्ग ऑफ इंडिया, पिट्सबर्ग ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज जमशेदपुर. ओके. जमशेदपुर स्टील प्लांट्स, ओके, दैट्स व्हाई पिट्सबर्ग ऑफ इंडिया. कोडरमा में मीका मिलता है, ठीक है. आयरन ओर का अगर देखा जाए तो आयरन ओर मेनली हमें मिलता है चंद्रपुर, बस्तर, पेटी, इस टाइप. माता टीला डैम, माता टीला डैम, ठीक है. तीन देखो ये सब यमुना की ट्रिब्यूटरी है. यमुना रिवर, ये नहीं देखा, सोनी फॉर गंगा, नर्मदा is to from river, and Tapi. SBJ natural gas pipeline does not have which of the following gas pumping station? Okay. तो इसका ये थोड़ा डिस्प्यूटेड क्वेश्चन था उस टाइम पे. एसबीजे हजारीबाग से जगदीशपुर तक जाती है, वेस्ट कोस्ट टू यूपी जगदीशपुर, ओके. यहाँ गुजरात में है हजीरा. इसमें गुना शायद लेफ्ट होगा, इसको देखेंगे. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट हैज हाईएस्ट सेक्स रेशियो इन 2011? जैसे तमिलनाडु, तमिलनाडु का है 996, ओके. then Karnataka 993, and Andhra Pradesh, then Goa. Which of the following island is not a part of Lakshadweep Island? Not a part of Lakshadweep Island. That is Tilanchong. Okay. Agadi, Kavaratti, Kalpini, these are all Lakshadweep Island parts. Okay. Mainly Maldives. मालदीव आइलैंड के अंतर्गत आते हैं सारे। कोपेन, ये मैंने बोला था ना, कोपेन आया है आगे। तो कोपेन में ईएमडब्ल्यू, ये वेस्टर्न घाट। ये सब सीडब्ल्यूडी जो है ये होता है नॉर्थर्न प्लेन्स का या ग्रेटर प्लेन्स का, ठीक है। बाकी एएसएडब्ल्यू, एएसएडब्ल्यू का देखेंगे बाद में। हाउ मेनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ उत्तराखंड आर लिंक्ड टू द इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्रीज? इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्री से कौन कौन सी करती हैं? इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्री से एक तो उत्तरकाशी हो गया, उत्तरकाशी हो गया ना एक, एक अगर हम करें तो यहाँ चाइना, उत्तरकाशी, फिर चमोली, फिर पिथौरागढ़, यूसीपी, फिर यहाँ चंपावत, फिर यहाँ उधम सिंह नगर, वही करती हैं। बाकी तो स्टेट आ गए 1 2 3 4 5, तो इसमें 5 शुड बी द आंसर। Which district of Uttarakhand state recorded negative population growth during as per the census 20? That is पौड़ी गढ़वाल एंड अल्मोड़ा। ओके, पौड़ी गढ़वाल में ज़्यादा ही माइनस है, ज़्यादा ही नेगेटिव है, अल्मोड़ा की फिक्स है, ठीक है। गोविंद नेशनल पार्क, गोविंद नेशनल पार्क इंक्लूड्स होर्सिंग गिलंगना रिवर, टॉन्स रिवर, यमुना रिवर। ओके, बंदरपुच ग्लेशियर से आती है। Each of the following places is not associated with Sitkul. That is हरिद्वार, हरिद्वार, हरिद्वार is not having Sitkul. Okay, Sitkul हमारा है रुड़की में है, सिलाकोई में है, सितारगंज में है। Here, Katechu is a tree of this type of forest. Here, subtropical forest. Okay. If panchayat is dissolved, election are to be held within 6 months. Okay. Election of panchayats 243. Okay. Duration of elected members is 243. E 243 I. State Finance Commission. बाकी ग्राम सभा वगैरह 243 A. Which one of the following schedules of Constitution of India contains provision regarding Anti-Defection Act? Anti-Defection 10th schedule, 52nd Constitution Amendment Act of 1958. 4th schedule is related to Rajya Sabha members. 6th schedule is for schedule states. 8th schedule language, etc. How many members are elected from Lok Sabha for Public Accounts Committee? From Lok Sabha, it is 15. Total 15 plus 7 Lok Sabha is 22. The Congress declared complete independence for India as its goal at which session? That is Lahore session 1929, presided by J.L. Nehru. The Hindi, that is also the, Purna Swaraj, complete independence. ठीक है। हिंदी वर्जन ऑफ नेशनल एंथम जन गण मन वाज अडॉप्टेड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑफ इंडिया। ये हुआ था 26 नवंबर, नो सॉरी 26 नवंबर को तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इनेक्टेड हुआ था। 24 जनवरी 1950 को नेशनल एंथम जन गण मन अडॉप्ट हुआ था, ठीक है। Among the following, who was the president of Human Rights Commission of India? Among the following, who was the first? It is first. Okay, first president of NHRC, that is Justice Ranganath. Second is Venkat Chilaiya. Third is J.S. Verma. Yeah. Among the following was the first lieutenant governor of newly created Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, that is Christian Murmu. To whom CDS is military advisor on tri-services matters? CDS, that is Prime Minister of India or Defense Minister. I think it's the Defense Minister. In which year ILO, International Labour Organization, was established? That is 1919. Very, very important. Where is the headquarter? Headquarter of ILO. ILO headquarter. That is Geneva, Switzerland. Okay. Geneva, Switzerland, important है। जो रिपोर्ट्स वगैरह हैं वो भी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है। Right to property belongs to which category amongst the following? That is first, that was fundamental right, but after the it was deleted from fundamental rights 19 from article 19(1) F and is made to 300 A article. Okay, and it is now legal right or constitutional right. So among the following chair the Zonal Council. Zonal Council was chaired by Home Minister of India. Okay, north, south, east, west, and central. Uttarakhand is in Central Council. MP Central Zonal Council. Central Zonal Council में तो MP है, MP is there, yes. Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. Okay, MP, UP, UK, and Chhattisgarh. Okay, match the following seats in Rajya Sabha, name of state. देखो seats भी important है, including Lok Sabha also. Okay, you should remember Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, these type of seats. Like in Jharkhand, in Uttarakhand, you are the students of Uttarakhand. You must know the members of the Uttarakhand in Rajya Sabha. Okay, that is 3. So B is 3 only in one option. See how simple is that? 4 3 to 1. Jharkhand 6, Chhattisgarh 5, Punjab 7. Okay, Punjab is highest in these options. In which year the SAARC summit for the first time was held in India? SAARC summit was held in 1986. Okay, and the headquarter of SAARC is in Second SAARC summit, yes, that was your second SAARC summit, and it was held in Bangalore. Okay, headquarters is in Kathmandu, SAARC headquarters. Okay, India was hosted 1986, 1995, and 2007. Okay, that is our second. That is our eighth. And that is 14th. Which of the following amendment is related to the formation of National Commission for Backward Classes? Okay, first जो था वो था National Commission of Schedule Class. Okay, NCSC. ये 338A है. NCBC 338B है. पर 100 Constitution Amendment था बांग्लादेश के साथ demarcation of boundary. 10 फर्स्ट Constitution Amendment है. ये 100 है बांग्लादेश demarcation. 10 फर्स्ट हो गया होगा GST. 10 सेकंड हो गया. But NCBC. What is the tenure of member of State Legislative Council? सी ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. 100 आपका हो गया बांग्लादेश डिमार्केशन. 101 जीएसटी. 10 सेकंड एनसीबीसी. 103rd एंग्लो इंडियन. ओके एंड आल्सो ईडब्ल्यूएस रिजर्वेशन. 104th 105th 106th वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिसेंटली एड नारी बंधन विधेयक नियम. नारी बंधन विधेयक रिलेटेड. ये 104th एंड 105th that they are also important. The 103rd is 104. कंफ्यूजन बहुत है मैं क्लियर करता हूँ. 104 104 yes it is 104 is SC ST एक्सटेंशन. ठीक है, रिजर्वेशन इन लोकसभा सीट्स तो इसका एक्सटेंशन कर दिया 2030 तक. और प्लस एंग्लो इंडियन का एंग्लो इंडियन जो थी सीट्स रिजर्वेशन वो एबोलिश कर दिया गया. ठीक है. 105th है स्टेट्स टू आइडेंटिफाई सोशली इकोनॉमी बैकवर्ड क्लासेज. स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरी को ये पावर दे दी है. ठीक है, कि वो एस सी क्लासेज को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. 106 नारी बंधन विधेयक. ठीक है. वो वाज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. Who is the Prime Minister of India? I'm sorry. What is the tenure of member of State Legislative Council? Yes, 6 years. State Legislative Council plus Rajya Sabha 6 years. Depending 1/3 members retiring every second year. Okay. Who was the Prime Minister of India when the basic principle of India's nuclear doctrine no first use was adopted? No first use was adopted in the reign of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Okay. I.K. Gujral, that is also famous for Gujral doctrine. Manmohan Singh LPG reforms. Indira Gandhi, longest serving Prime Minister, now became second Prime Minister, longest serving. Okay. Now Prime Minister Modi, the longest serving Prime Minister of India. On which of the following dates civil services day is celebrated? 21st April. That is 21st April. 21 June. That is International Yoga Day. In which year the Central Information Commission was established? That is 2005. The Right to Information Act. In which year the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was enacted? That is 1981. Underwater Pollution Act. Water Pollution Act of 1974 or 80. (1974). Okay. Regulatory bodies CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board. Underwater pollution, that is air pollution prevention, Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act, enacted in the year 1981. Proceeding ahead. In which year the number of women member parliament was lowest in Lok Sabha? See, that is very factual question, and it may be 1977. Okay, that is our sixth Lok Sabha. Okay. One of the following was the right to participate in the parliamentary proceeding. That is Article 88, Attorney General of India. Okay, he can participate in parliamentary proceeding and also can give vote in the parliament. Uttaranchal change of name act into existence in each of the following year. The name change, it is in 2006, enacted on 1st January 2007. The state of Uttarakhand came into existence on which of the following dates? That is now November 2000. One of the following was the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, CM of Uttarakhand, who declared in the statement that their sand would be the summer capital of Uttarakhand. That is Triveni Singh Rawat. Which one of the following Commissioner of Colonial Kumaon and Garhwal introduced the revenue police system? That is George William Trail. See, these are very important. First was Gardner. 1815, 16, only 1 year. Then comes Trail. Trail 1816 to 1832. I think yes. Or 135, sorry, 132, 135, 1835. Then for a small period, George Smith takes over the commissary, and then came Govan. Govan is very unexperienced, and due to its due to their inexperience, they only became the commissioner for 2 years. Okay, then Lusington, then Lusington, and then Batten. Batten is, you know, the golden period in the time of commissary. Okay, Batten is fifth commissioner. Then comes Henry Ramsay with आज बादशाह उत्तराखंड कमिश्नर. तो आज यहीं तक करते हैं 50 क्वेश्चन तक. अगले पार्ट में 100 होगा, फिर 150 करेंगे इसको. ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू.